Today we present why, in some cases, does the air conditioner compressor capacitor frequently fail, and what should be done to solve it. Let's start by saying that recurring issues with capacitors and split air conditioners can be a source of frustration. Often, these components fail and need to be replaced repeatedly without any apparent reason. By conducting an analysis, we can say that both the ambient temperature in which the air conditioner operates and the internal temperature generated by the capacitor itself can contribute to its deterioration. If the temperature in the external condenser unit is much higher than normal, this can accelerate capacitor wear. One solution to prevent the recurrent replacement of compressor capacitors is to try to reduce the temperature in the external unit of the air conditioner. Let's consider some recommendations to achieve this. A. If possible, place the unit in a cooler location to avoid direct exposure to sunlight. B. Always keep the condenser unit clean. C. Check the internal location of the capacitor. Try to place it in a cooler spot within the external condenser unit compared to its current location. D. Another option is to select a capacitor with a higher working temperature. Some capacitors come labeled with this information, allowing you to choose one that can withstand higher temperatures. E. Check the connectors to the capacitor, and if necessary, replace the wiring to the compressor. F. If possible, when installing the new capacitor, measure the compressor's current consumption, which should always be lower than the RL value or the regular equipment's power consumption. G. Always verify the condition of the external unit's fan. It should spin freely and generate the necessary airflow.